Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video we are going to talk about the ChronoUnit. It's pretty straightforward, but before that let me show you something that we didn't see in the previous video. In the previous video we tried to get the months based on the period. So basically we pass now and now plus days, and we have 406 days in 52 weeks, and this didn't return what we were expecting. We would expect 13 months. There is another way to get this. If you want, you can use, for example, the local date time. So you can get here, for example, now dot until. In this case, now it's local date. Local date time and local date, they have the same method, and this method has two options: sending the temporal, the end, and the temporal unit. So if I say that I want now plus all these days, so now plus 406 days, and I would like to get this back in ChronoUnit dot months. Ctrl Shift F10, and this will return 13. And you can get in days as well. It will return again 406, exactly like we have in the weeks. Or you can get in years. It will return one year. So this is just using local date. Period, as you saw, is not enough for that, but we can also use ChronoUnit. So let's create a new class, ChronoUnit test 01, and let's create a date here, local date time. Let's say this is the birth date, and local date time dot off. Let's give one date, 1988, August 6 at 12 at noon, basically. So this is the full local date that we will be using, local date time. And for the ChronoUnit, it's pretty straightforward to get the amount of days, months, weeks, or years, because the ChronoUnit is the class that's the standard for the date periods. I would say date and time periods. So for example, how can we get the number of days, for example, from the birth date to now? ChronoUnit dot, and we select what we want. In this case, we want days, between, and between the birth date and now. Local date time dot now. Ctrl Shift F10. I'm missing one parenthesis, and we have 11,883 days from 1988, August 6, 1988 until now. And it's pretty straightforward for the rest. Basically weeks. Let me go here. Weeks. Months. And years. Ctrl Shift F10. And you have all of them. So if someone says that their kid is 78 weeks old, you can create a system that will tell them exactly how old you are in weeks. So basically this is about everything that I want to tell you about the ChronoUnit. Now you have a very powerful set of classes to work with date. We have ChronoUnit, we have duration, instance, local date, local time, local date time, and this will cover almost like maybe 85-90% of the problems that you may face. But since this is Java 1 for All, there is still more stuff that I have in my mind that I want to share with you, because the Java time, it's a huge package, and I'm trying to cover almost everything that you may need in your future work or your current work. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this course. Let's continue in the next video. See you there. Bye.